Hello, my name is Stephen Chen. I'm a periodontist practicing in Melbourne. The shoulder of the tissue level implant with the body and thread configuration of the BLX implant. It really is a unique design. It allows very high levels of stability to be achieved in relatively soft bone types. By the same token, it handles really well in more dense bone types as well. So the advantages of a tissue level implant over a bone level implant is that the tissue level implant elevates the restorative platform away from the bone. And at the time of surgery, this allows you to visualize the connection of the prosthesis against the implant if you are looking at an immediate loading protocol. And then, of course, in the long-term follow-up and maintenance, this elevated platform makes it much easier to access for maintenance.